So we decided to make a toffee candy today, and it came out really nice and tasty. So let me show you how you can actually make this for your kids at home. The first step is to put your margarine or butter in a hot pan, and please let your light be on medium heat. Then I'm going in with half cup of sugar. Yes, the butter is just 1 tablespoon of butter to half cup of sugar. Then I'm going to stir that till they get totally melted. Then I have my coconut milk. Now yesterday I blended my coconut and I let it sit for some hours. So the top milk that comes to the top of the coconut water, that is exactly what you need. That is after sieving your coconut. So you're going to scoop out the top milk on your coconut water and pour it into this. Then you start turning and you see that it starts getting thicker. If you want to add, you can add either condensed milk or liquid milk. For me, I am adding liquid milk. You can add cocoa powder, you can add coffee, you can add chocolates, whichever one you want. But for the purpose of this recipe, I'm just going to be using a mix of my 3-in-1 coffee I have at home. I just want to use this based on every single thing I have in the house without buying anything. So I'm mixing in my coffee, then I'll stir this till it gets thick. When it gets thick, I'm going to transfer it into a oiled tray. You have to oil your pan or your tray that you're going to be using to mold your candy. You can also pour it on a parchment paper. Actually, it's best to pour it on a parchment paper, but I don't have a parchment paper at home, hence why I used my tray. Then I'm going to get this into different shapes. You can make it into shapes that you like or your kids like. I decided to make it into round shape, and this is how it came out. If you're yet to subscribe to my YouTube channel, ensure to subscribe, drop a comment so I can give you a shout out. Love you.